Canon G2470 model and so on. It gives it on the screen as 03. Sometimes it may not be a screen. When you look at your computer, we'll tell you attack wood, as he said this way. This printer has a mechanical jam. We saw it. I posted it on Instagram. Where is it from? Now I will shoot this. I will show you too. User, because it has an error. It gives this error due to compression. Now let's turn our printer sideways and disassemble it first. We remove their exits. We remove their member. We lift the top filling access cover. We have 2 bins in the corner. 1 and 2, we disassemble them. After removing our can, this place yawns like this. Friends pass here just before. We save your nail like this, pressing. This way. Let's pull your nail down. We need to save. It's hard because I'm on the phone now, and for shooting alone, there are 2 quotes from the bottom here. There is one here from the top, and one here. Friends, this is how you get out here. Now our fault is here. See here now, your bag like this. You need to see it moving here. See this way. It's stuck here so much. This makes 6,000 error. So I'm getting the bag from here now. You take it carefully. Now let's see if our device will give 6,000 error code. Let's see him. I'm wearing the person in the house right away. And we downloaded our printer to the screen and opened our printer. Waiting for it to open. Audio talking error codes like this on YouTube. You can always find it on our channel. Do not forget that I solved the error codes I took. I shoot after creating the solution. So a video with no solution. I'm not posting, guys. That's why. When you experience error codes, search our channel section. Writing will be enough, as you can see. You no longer make mistakes. What is needed will be to close the cover in place and tighten your videos. Now we will do this now, because it doesn't make a mistake. As you can see, it went to the ready section. There is no problem. Now we have to choose the paper type letter, or something here. We chose a 4. We said OK. If you want more videos, please comment below the video in the description section. You can write, now I collect my printer. We collected our printer. Now we get what we came out, like this. Operation Istanbul Abnormal. This was a guaranteed product. We sold to our customer, but not to waste time. This, we did it ourselves. As you can see now, there are problems in the lines. I will show this in another video. Why is it like this? Now he took the paper out like this, sliding nonsense. This is the paper that should appear normal white on the screen. I will show this in my other video. You can watch there 6600.